Hey everybody, Dave Fontaine here at Wayne Toyota with one of our very own 2016 Tundra double cab off-road Tundras. This is one of our very own vehicles. It just came in, was serviced here entirely at our dealership, accident free, has an extended warranty until 2023 or 120,000 kilometers. It's a real gem. Of course, the Tundra's been best in class in retained value for 10 plus years now. This is one of our 5.7 liters. Excellent workhorse truck. As you can see, it has a few extras with a hood deflector. This comes with fog lights. You have your sensors, upgraded tires with the 18-inch Duratrax. This customer also put on the running boards. We've got heated folding mirrors. Inside you can see we have power heated cloth front seats. Got a pretty big screen, backup camera, Bluetooth, satellite radio. The previous customer also put in a remote start. Come over here, you can see that it does have a power rear window. This is a headlight leveling system right there in case you have a large weight on the back. And here we have your adjustable mirrors. Second row, you've got one of the seats up so you can see it has lots of storage, lots of leg room back there. As we move to the rear of the vehicle, you can see that it has a hard tri-fold tonneau cover. We've got a tow package already installed on the vehicle, and you see it's wired, ready to go. You have your parking sonar in the back, bed liner, easily removable tonneau cover. It'll fold 3 times. This vehicle has just over 23,000 kilometers on it. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to call me here at Wayne Toyota. Thanks again for watching and stay safe.